Made some bread yesterday, so I decided to have egg in the hole in the new loaf of bread, and it was good. And I made my own syrup. Well, hello there. This is Laura, Zone 4A in Ontario, Canada. I thought it was time to start some seeds. So I had some store-bought bell pepper seeds that I let dry out, and I put them in a baggie with some paper towel and saran wrap on the 19th of January. And they sprouted a number of days ago, but I just today, on January 31st, got around to potting them up into some soil. And let's just see what they do. If they grow, then I'll separate them because I put 2 in each little cell of the 4-cell planter that I could find. I don't know where I put the rest of the stuff, but it's too cold in the garage to go rooting for it, so where do I put all my stuff at the beginning of winter? I know I put it all together somewhere, but do you think I could find it? No, I can't find it. Well, folks, I was just, looking through some pictures of the winter so far. On January 9th, we had a lot of snow. And then, now today, it's almost completely gone. Just a little bit remaining. And then, it's just the strangest thing, but last year was the same. Last year, January 25th, we got hit with a lot of snow, and then by February 3rd, it looked like today. One eternity later, yeah, I started. There's my celery and my tomatoes. Those are 2-year-old plants, oddly enough, cut down. Well, the tomatoes were, and I just kept watering it, and they came back. That's my bonsai holder for my bonsai tree that I left outside. So then I got a delivery of my self-watering seed things, and I planted up some seeds, some kale and some pak choi. There's my strawberry plant. There's my plum tomato and my broccoli rab. The Roma tomato, not plum, Roma, and my broccoli rab. I thought I could use it in cut it and use the leaves and stuff, or maybe hold out. It's going to take a long time to grow, so we'll see how it develops, and might munch on some of the leaves, who knows. But just having fun, seeing what'll grow, seeing what seeds will germinate from store-bought produce, like those bell peppers you saw earlier. Isn't that amazing? So I decided to use the paper towel hack to make sure, rather than wait and nothing happens.